Hey, what's up? This is Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of the creditrepairshop.com. This is the video that I promised, and I'm going to make more videos to kind of expand it, but I don't want to throw too much on you. I told you that I'm materialized, I made something happen where I brought, like, in a way, money materialized in a way right in front of me, but it was through obviously through a person giving me money or giving my business money. And I'm talking about one of my other companies. And first, I want to give you some background. I also own a marketing company that my wife and I started in 1990. It was my first successful business, where I still own that business to this day. Uh, Sorry about that interruption. I have a program team that's sending me texts that I have to respond to. So what happened was that was my first successful company. I've done other stuff where I have made some money, a little bit of money, even as a kid at 15 years old. I had made pretty good money as a distributor with Herbalife. At that time, I was 15 years old, skinny, but I was selling people weight loss products. But my wife and I started our advertising magazine in 1990. We still own that company to this day, very successful company. But something had happened when things change, and sometimes they change without you paying attention to them. And what had happened was over a 3-year period, and the wave was coming. The internet was tidal wave was coming, but we didn't really pay attention because we just thought things would just remain the same. But long story short, we got totally disrupted by the internet, by people placing ads on Google, Facebook, different places, like digital marketing. It didn't just do it to our company, it did it to several thousands of newspapers, daily newspapers, TV, radio, everybody took a hit. And so we're talking about huge hits. And then uh, then you have the pandemic, and then just businesses just way, way, way down. Well, we're rebuilding the company. Company is still going. We're rebuilding it, but one of the things that I always do is I'll go and I'll look on lists that we have, and we'll do a mailing to people, trying to get them to come back as customers. My sales reps will call and try to get them, or visit and try to get them back as customers. But something that I did that I had never really paid attention to is I went and I grabbed one of our magazines, and this one here was from 2016, and I grabbed it, and a feeling came over me because number one, we had over 120 pages of advertisers in this book. Like, if you just, it's just full of ads. Now our publication is only 64 pages. It's half of this now, half of what we used to be. And but when I got it, a feeling came over me. When I grabbed this, a feeling came over me. And the feeling was that this these people or these types of businesses are looking for us, and we just have to figure out a way to bring them to us. But a crazy thing happened though, and this is why I'm making this video, and this is why I want you to. I'm going to give you some homework because I'm going to show you how to make good things happen to you. And I'm going to give you some examples on how you've already done this, but you haven't really done it all the way to benefit you in ways that you couldn't even imagine. Um, so I grabbed this and I, just was like, This is crazy. I was even smelling the pages as I, blew them like this. Like these are the pages. And I was just like, this is the way that it should be. And we're doing things to get the publication this way, and we have a mobile app. But what happened was, as soon as I did that and I got that feeling rush through my body, an individual came into our doors that was an advertiser from years ago and dropped, I think, paid for a whole year of their ad. Just paid for a whole year of their ad. Now, it wasn't a huge advertiser. It was only, I think, about $1,400. But just came in and did it. And then I started getting phone calls from other businesses that had advertised with us and saying, hey, I want to do 4 weeks. I want to do 3 weeks. I want to do 2 weeks. I want to do 13 weeks. And so what I've done is every day I grab it and I get that feeling. And yesterday when I did it close to the end of the day yesterday. And this is the truth. I'm not making this up. I grabbed it. For some reason, I just didn't get to it early in the morning like I'm doing right now. And the feeling came through me. And this is the truth. An advertiser that started a new business, a massage company, and I think it's like some type of a moving company and a massage company came in and paid 12 weeks for their advertisement, which was a little over $1,000 for the small box classified box ads, over $1,000. And we had other people that had called after that wanted to get their ads back in. I'm telling you the feeling, and I listen. Some of you know that I'm a follower of Reverend Knight, and he talks about the feeling gets the blessing, the person who feels it. So what I want you to do is I want you to think about when you went to buy a car. And why did they want you to test drive the car? Why did they want you to touch the car? Why, when you walked on the lot, you were drawn to a certain vehicle? Or if you're looking online, you're drawn to a certain vehicle and you start imagining yourself in that vehicle. This is the same thing that you can use without having someone else be that conduit. Because when you go to a car dealer, they're they in essence are making you think that they're doing this for you. When you go to buy furniture, or you go and you look at clothes, you're actually thinking that they're the ones that's making this happen for you by having the stuff there. You are drawn to there by your own internal senses. There's thousands of stores, but why do you go to a particular store? Why do other people go to a particular store? There are thousands of different cars, hundreds of car dealers in your location. Why do you go to that dealer? Why did you go to that dealer? Why did you get attracted to that vehicle? The feeling brought you there. The feeling. And so, what I want you to do, because I'm going to put money in your pocket and I want you to put the good things that happen to you below this video when it happens. And I apologize for the problems that I continue to keep having with my video camera. But the information is what's really important. I want you to grab something that gives you the feeling. For me, this. I make my sales reps hold one. This was my feeling. This is what I want to work on with one of my businesses. This is what I want to work on. With you, uh, uh, ladies and gentlemen, with the credit, what gives me the feeling is when I help somebody. Like, it's a crazy thing. There was years ago, and I'm only saying this to my subscribers, but years ago, I almost sold my company. And what happened? This is the honest truth. What happened is an individual came into my office And I listen to their situation just like I listen to the situations when you write your comments. And it gives me the feeling to do more for the business. No, I can't talk to everybody. No, I can't email everybody. No, I can't communicate with everybody. I do my best on that, but I use my employees, which now I've hired two more people, so we have more help for you. But I get that feeling without even touching something. I get that feeling with the credit repair shop. And so what I want you to do is I want you to find something that gives you that feeling of that you have, if you want to make more money, if you want to draw money to you, this isn't about making a business to make more money. Just what I'm saying is, if you want to have something good financially come to you, I want you to go and I want you to get with and touch and feel and smell and imagine not the amount of money that's going to come to you. I just want you to imagine that you are going to have money come to you. And it needs to be something attached to what brought you money from before. Like this brought me millions of dollars. This magazine brought me millions of dollars. So when I touched it, when I smelled it, when I flipped through it, and I see all the businesses that we dealt with, it gave me the feeling of more money coming to me because I saw what we had already done. And you know this from your own internal feeling is that it's always easier to do something that you've done before. So what I'm doing is I'm showing you a secret that's right out there in front of all of us that you've utilized, but you've just thought it was in the reverse because people made you think that they were doing you a favor when you were internally drawn to them because of the universe. Is that you need to grab something that has helped you do something financially. Maybe your college, your bachelor's degree from college. Maybe it's your associate's degree. Maybe it's your plumber's license. Something that is attached to the feeling of when you got that, it equaled you getting money. Find that, and I want you to touch it. I want you to see it. I want you to smell it and let it come to you. And then I want you to come right back to this video and I want you to put the good things that happen to you so other people can believe and allow it to happen to them. Watch this video again so you can understand it. Watch this video again just in case I wasn't clear. Watch it again just in case you got interrupted. Watch it again over and over and over. Repetition brings recognition. Just like you go to work every day, you need to do things every day to make good things happen in your life consistently. So I'm going to end the video here. Thank you for your time. This is Stephen A. Williams, President and founder of the creditrepairshop.com. Please subscribe. Well, this is only going to subscribers. If you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. If you don't have your credit reports and scores, go to your number 3scores.com. I also have some good news coming for very soon. I know all of you have been following my wife's situation. She is doing very good. And I think that we're going to start doing some combo videos where she's with me. And what we're going to talk about is success, money, happiness, health, health, being healthy. We're going to start talking about that stuff too on this channel. Because if you have bad credit, you have too much debt, that can lead you into poor health. That can lead you into poor health. All right, I'm going to end the video here. This is Stephen A. Williams, President and founder of the creditrepairshop.com. Thank you, and until next time.